Okay, assalamualaikum guys. So I now wanna demo for the CSharp programming for character. So as usual, firstly we have to create our script. So just right click, create, and choose folder. I know I mean CSharp script, of course. Okay, so we're gonna name it character. Alright, and we will open this. Okay, just say Microsoft Visual Studio. Okay, good. So now we wanna make it dark mode. So go to tools and options, and then color theme. Yes, should be dark. Okay, and okay, good. So I think so far so good, and we have to, I think it will be good if I can just make it 200. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so we don't need mono behavior for this class. Why? Because this class doesn't need mono behavior function. Okay, so let's just delete all this. Okay, so we're gonna make it private. Sorry, private string name, private integer health, private integer damage. So we're gonna start to put public string name. Okay, so we want to make it get and return name. Alright, so now we're gonna make it for health. So public in health, should be okay. So get return health. Oops, sorry, I have to make it because just to make it different. Okay, return health, and we're gonna do the same for damage. Get return damage. Okay, anyway, I forget that we have to set. So we have to set the value for name, of course, for health and the damage as well. Okay, set health equals to value, set damage equals to value. Okay, let's save it this first. So we have added the attribute in the character. So now we want to add method. Okay, I think you guys have learned how to add method, like what we had in the last lab exercise. So we're gonna make it, let's say move left. Okay, and just make it debug lock. Okay, we want to make it move to left. Okay, alright, then we will make another public void move right. So debug lock move to right. Okay, and another public void jump, maybe. Yep. So debug lock, let's jump. Okay, alright, so I think that's so far so good. Just save this file first. Okay, and so we have put public class character here with the string name, integer health, and integer damage. I hope you guys already know why it should be string. String is normally like words, integer is numbers, and public string name get return name. So we make the character name as the value, same with the health, and also I think we should make it okay, make it efficient. Okay, same with the damage. So these are only the character, and we wanna make it the method. Okay, move left, move right, and move jump. So we're gonna see how it's gonna make it for Unity, how it's gonna work in Unity. So save it first, and let's move to Unity. Okay guys, so I've created a new class which is exercise 1. Okay, we have mono behavior here because we want to derive the class from mono behavior. Alright, so okay, I'm so sorry, I think I was wrong to say that I create a character class. So basically it's an object class and object example. So the class name in this video is character. Okay, so I want to show you how you put the property and method for the class that will be used as an object in the game. Okay, because C# is object-oriented programming. Alright, okay, let's just gonna tell you. Okay, so we create the name is player1. We want to use the character class as the object in our game. So we use character. We derive the class name from the class that we refer to, just character, and player1, for example. Okay, so for it start player1 new character. Okay, so and then player1 name, health, and damage. So all these three, name, health, and damage, were the one that we created in the character class, right? So we have created the property. Okay, properties are the name, health, and damage. Okay, I put my name Olka and health 200 and damage is 50. So and then we want to show the result, okay, of initialization of the attribute of the property. So we want to show the name, what is the player name here, health, and also the damage. Alright, and then finally we want to call the method from one of the methods in character class. Character class has two methods, if I'm not mistaken. I put MovetoLeft and the jump. So I want to make it player1.jump. Okay, so it's supposed to show all these, the name, health, and damage, and also the jump method. Alright, so for the update we're gonna just make it empty, and that's all. So I hope you guys understand. So the character class is the class where we put the property and the method, and this one is exercise 1 here is the class where we put the character as the object in the game. Okay, so as the object in the game, we can just apply the property and the method that we put in the class before. But for now, as the object, of course, we put player1, we put the details of the player1, and also we call the method. Okay, so let's just see the result. Okay guys, so I've opened back the Unity and I see there is cube here, and we have character 1 and exercise 1 script already. So we just wanna drag the exercise 1 script. Alright, so let's just, oh, I think I have to make this from the beginning. Okay, play. See, it's working. I see my name, health, damage, and let's jump, the one that I put in the character script. So that's all the implementation of the character and also the method. Thank you so much. See you guys next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.